What comes to your mind when you hear the term comprehensive insurance? Comprehensive insurance is a cover that protects the owner of the vehicle against the losses that can arise from the vehicle getting damaged from an accident, the vehicle being damaged from fire, and also if the vehicle is stolen. When you buy comprehensive insurance, there's also a benefit of third-party cover inside. And when you hear about third-party only insurance, it's a cover that you can buy, and that cover can protect you against liabilities that your vehicle can cause to you. So in today's video, I welcome all the vehicles owners and those people prospecting to buy vehicles in futures. So welcome. And because you are the owner of a vehicle and there are risks that your vehicle are exposed and that can cause losses to you, you need this information so that you can equip your risk management skills and reduce the losses that you may incur in future. So why don't we look at the reason why you should buy only third-party insurance and not comprehensive? Why is it that you can only find yourself that you can only afford to buy third-party and not comprehensive insurance? It's very important to know this one so that you can have full knowledge how you can continue protecting your properties or your wealth through risk management skills. So stay with me here until the end of this video so that we can learn these reasons why you can only find yourself that you can only afford to pay third party only and not comprehensive insurance. Number one is the state requirement and the law that was passed with our members of parliament that state that you must have a minimum insurance of third party only if you are a car owner, and that is the Act of Parliament Cap 405 of Law of Kenya. So if you are a vehicle owner, you will find yourself being forced with that law that was passed that you must have, and if you don't have that insurance, you cannot operate in Kenya. If you are found operating without that insurance, you will be taken to court and fined or jailed. So you will be forced, you will just find yourself getting that insurance without even finding out the reasons or the importance of getting that policy. Reason number two is a foreign vehicle or a vehicle that is registered in a foreign country. If you are using that vehicle in Kenya, the only cover you can afford or the only cover that you can get is third party only. The underwriters in our jurisdiction, Kenya, cannot give you a comprehensive insurance because that is not a vehicle that originates from this country. The registration of that number is not in any documentary in this land, so you'll be able to get a third party only and only afford to get a comprehensive from your country of origin or the country that that vehicle was registered. Number three is the age of the vehicle, and it is there are underwriting requirements that if your vehicle is 15 years and above, you will subjected to only have a third-party insurance cover. You cannot buy a comprehensive insurance unless maybe from the company that you use to get your insurance, the age of 15 years gets your policy. If your policy still runs, they may extend that option of you renewing that policy in that company. But if you opt out of that company, it means the only cover that you may be required to buy is only third-party insurance. So in all vehicles that are qualified to buy comprehensive insurance are vehicles that are 15 years and below from the time they were manufactured. Number four is lack of knowledge about the benefit of comprehensive insurance, and most prospect or most car owners will buy third party because it is a requirement of law that they should have a minimum insurance, and without having that knowledge that they can get more benefit if they buy comprehensive, they'll just find themselves getting the third party only. So it will be prudent if you get yourself an insurance agent or an insurance broker who can give you information or who can enlighten you all benefits under comprehensive insurance, and you will enjoy having your vehicle being covered because your financial interest on that vehicle will be covered if you get a comprehensive cover. And if you never heard about that video of the benefit of comprehensive insurance, I'm going to put that the link of that video in the description box down there, so that you can also learn and get the knowledge of the benefit of comprehensive insurance. Or you can get our contact, call us, we can be your financial advisor on your properties that you want to cover. Number 5 is the economical factor. Some owners or some investors will tend to buy third party only because it is a cheaper one. The third party only is cheaper than the comprehensive one. So they'll be forced economically to buy third party insurance and not comprehensive insurance. And that is affordability, because the third party is affordable. Comprehensive insurance is somehow expensive because it is calculated using the value of the vehicle and other benefits that you can add to enjoy that comprehensive insurance. There's also another reason that some customers or prospects tend to buy third-party insurance when their policy is subjected to loading. Like, for example, if your vehicle had an accident during the period when it had a comprehensive insurance, and if the underwriter loads an additional premium on top of the normal one, because the customer is proving to be a higher risk, that customer may opt to buy third party because the premium has been loaded, or the premium has been increased from the normal premium that maybe that person paid previously. First reason is if your vehicle was repaired from salvage, or if you bought a salvage vehicle. That a salvage vehicle means it's a vehicle that got an accident and it was a write-off, and once the insurance companies have written off a vehicle, it means if that vehicle is repaired from salvage, it means the company will not give you a comprehensive insurance. All vehicles that are repaired from salvage, the option they have is only to get third-party insurance only to cover the liabilities that they may get while using the vehicle. Other factors are that when you finish paying your loan, or maybe if you took your vehicle as a security for your loan, or maybe you bought your vehicle from a bank, or it was financed with a financial institution, once you've cleared paying that loan, there are so many customers, so there are so many clients or vehicle owners who tend to opt to take third party and not comprehensive. They'll only buy comprehensive when they are still paying for that loan. And for that reason, it will be better if you get a financial advisor, if you get an insurance agent or an insurance broker who will be advising you the importance of getting the right policy that can secure your financial interests, so that your business, your wealth, your properties are protected the way it's supposed to be. Because you find that lack of knowledge, or maybe lack of getting the best financial advice, will make people to tend to opt for wrong risk management skills that may end up making their financial life miserable. So I'll finish here by saying that if you are a serious investor, if you're a serious car owner, and you are investing using vehicles, get yourself an insurance agent, get yourself an insurance broker who will be able to take care of your insurances, issues and services accordingly, so that you may feel protected all the time. Thank you for taking your time. Thank you for playing our video. Thank you for subscribing, and see you in our next class.